DIY Graphic Designs is a huge collection of high-quality and modern marketing graphic designs and templates that will surely amaze your customers. All of the pre-made graphic designs are new, fresh, modern and the best high-converting design trends available today. As a team of experienced graphic designers with over 7 years of internet marketing experience, our goal is to deliver top-quality graphics that will actually help our clients drive more traffic and conversions. We make sure each graphic has the element of direct response principles to provide our customers higher conversions, increase in sales and eventually profits. This premium giant collection of high-quality graphic templates features only selected designs that's proven to command attention and conversion. Be assured that this is not another random graphic collection of graphics that are old and outdated. DIY Graphic Designs collection is hot, modern, and a proven moneymaker. This giant graphic package is perfect for bloggers, Facebook marketers, online sellers, affiliate marketers, product vendors, offline marketers and paid advertisers. Easily and quickly create high-converting sales pages in minutes, without spending a dime on a graphic designer. Visit the link in the description for more info and to get started today.